Hi everyone, and welcome to this short video about Socrative. This video won't go super in depth, but I'm hoping to give you an overview of the teacher view of Socrative so you can see how everything works. Now when you first log in, the most important thing to realize is that there are two different pages, depending on what you are looking to do. If you want to launch an activity, when you've walked into the classroom and you're ready to use Socrative with students, you're going to be using the launch page. What the quizzes tab is for is when you want to build quizzes and create content for students. You'll also see there are rooms, reports, and results. The room here is customizing what you want your room to be called. So when students log in, a great thing about Socrative is that they don't need to have lots and lots of information in order to access a room. It just asks them to type in their teacher's room name. So you can make this your last name, your room number, anything that might be identifiable and easy for your student. The next page here is reports. So you can always go back and download a spreadsheet of student reports, which is really powerful. And the last one here is results. What it does is it will show you if you have an activity that's currently accepting responses from your students. If you are still collecting data, keep this open. This icon here shows that we are live and still collecting answers. And this icon here, labeled Finish, is how you will end the activity or stop collecting those responses. So going back to the launch page, there are a few different activities here that you can run. So when you are in class and you want to ask a quick question, you will look down here near the bottom. If you have ever used Poll Everywhere before, this is very similar. It's just a matter of clicking it, asking them a true or false question on the board, and then you are going to get their responses very quickly. When students log on and they enter your room code, they will see 3 questions. The first will be, how well did you understand today's material? The second will be, what did you learn in today's class? And the last one will be the teacher's question. For this last one, all you do is write a question up on the board, something specific to that lesson that will really test your students' knowledge on if they fully grasp the material. To create quizzes, you will need to click on the Quizzes tab. Once you are here, you can either import in a quiz, create new, or look at the one saved that you have already created. If we click on Create, we will see that you get 3 options for questions, whether you want true or false, multiple choice, or short answer. What's great about this tool is that you can auto-mark these as well. So when typing in a multiple choice question, you can decide which of those is correct. The last option on the launch page is this here called Space Race. For this activity, students have a lot of fun, and it's exactly like a quiz, except students would get into groups and they are competing against one another. What's great about a space race is that you get to pick your quiz, how many teams there are, what the icon will be, if there is a countdown, and if you want to shuffle questions or give feedback. Depending on both the accuracy of their answers and the speed of their answers, their rockets will move across the page. The competition is to see which team can get their rockets across the screen the fastest. So that is a general explanation of Socrative. I hope you are all able to get a better understanding of it through this tutorial, but please take some time and figure out what will work best for you with this classroom tool.